Our next tutorial is we are going to be working on the ears. Now you'll need to make 2 of these, obviously, and we're going to start again our usual magic circle. So I won't show you how to do this because you've already done this a few times already. Under, over, twist, take up the second hoop, push it over, and there we have our magic circle. Right, so we're going to start off again with 6 single crochets in the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know it's fiddly, this bit. There we go, 6, and then grab your tail of your magic circle and pull, and it gives us our partial circle there. Work backwards to find your first stitch. So look at the V's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it's super fiddly, and we're going to do the same that we did with the head and with the muzzle. We're going to put 2 single crochets in each one of these stitches as soon as I get my hook through this one. There we go. So we're going to go in there, single crochet, and then another one in the same stitch. There we go, and then onto the next stitch. That's 2, 3, 4, onto the next stitch, 5, 6, onto the next stitch, 7, 8, onto the next stitch, 9, 10, onto the last stitch, 11, 12, grab a stitch marker, put it through the last stitch, and we're on to round 3. In round 3 we're going to do put 2 single crochets into a stitch and then 1 single crochet by itself all the way around. So 1, 2, and then 1 by itself, 2 together, 1, 2, and then a single one by itself, 2 single crochets together, 1, 2, and another one by itself, 2 single crochets together, 1, 2, 1 by itself, 2 single crochets together, 1, 2, 1 by itself, 2 single crochets together, 1, 2, and 1 by itself, finishing up in the stitch marker stitch. Take out your stitch marker, put it in the last stitch of the round we've just done, like so, and we're ready for round 4 and 5. Now rounds 4 and 5 we're just going to do a single crochet in every single stitch. Now rather than moving my stitch marker, I'm just going to count these, so it tells you in the pattern here that there will be 18 stitches. So 18 stitches we've just finished off, 18 stitches in each round, so we can count 18 to go all the way around both of these. So round 4 we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and we're finishing up in our stitch marker at the end of round 4, which is amazing. And we're on to our last round now, which is another single crochet all the way around, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and that's our last one. And we're going to fasten off now, so we're going to leave a nice long tail because we're going to have to use this to attach the ear to the head. Snip that off and just pull it through nice and tight, remembering the side that was been towards us is the right side. So I'm just going to turn it around to make sure. The tail in the middle doesn't need to be that long, just shorten it a bit, and take out the stitch marker. Now these ears, you might look to think that looks like a circle, and when we attach these, all we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half and it gets attached like this. If I show you on the teddy bear here, so all that happens is you attach it on like that to make a nice ear. So these get folded in half. You need to make another one of those, and I'll see you in the next tutorial to show you how to make the arms.